I officially convinced him to sell the DONZI and get himself a cat. And this is what he gets. Alright boys, I got an exciting video for you guys today. 2001 30-foot Spectre powered by 2017 350 Verados that have been flashed. So they're making about 425 horsepower each. We're going to be launching out of Mathis and Hammock, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along for the ride. I know I haven't posted up any videos in the past 2 weeks. I apologize. I have been working on all the boats. As you guys can see here, I have the Talon in the garage. You noticed there's no more accidents. Rub rail's almost on. I'm wet sanding and polishing, and that's what I was doing with that one. Might as well give you a quick little walk around. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. This is a boat that I'm building for my father. You guys can see here, I'm closed off all the holes. That's where our 12-inch is gonna go. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. I have been recording it, but I haven't posted it. Stay tuned for the videos. Little update. 38-foot DONZI ZRC. It's almost ready to go back in the water, or it is ready to go back in the water. I honestly don't know why we haven't used it. This is my father's boat. 23-foot DONZI is going to be next up for the restoration after the Liberator. Good old reliable jet ski is up for sale. You guys want a jet ski, hit me up. It's a 2015 1.8 liter non-supercharged. The little truck that could. It's towing this 30-footer with no issues. Good old Hemi. 560 a gallon. Crazy. Here you go, boys. Start her up. Make sure no water's coming in here. At least I remember those life vests, right? Just a little bit of water, I guess, from when they were cleaning it. Nothing too crazy. There we go, the man of the hour. The pimp with the limp. He's officially here, boys. We're gonna go for our first sea trial. I officially convinced him to sell the DONZI and get himself a cat. And this is what he gets. And this, we're pulling out now if you want to come here. Let's go. A pimp with the limp. No. You look good in that seat. You look a little short, but you look good. All right, back up. Let me get that front rope. There she goes. Woohoo! I love it. Hey. Getting comfortable?
Yeah. He has no indicator.
You trimmed all the way down? Yeah, he does right here.
No, those are not working.
Yeah, they are. Oh, that's working. I checked that at least. Temperature. You trimmed up too high probably. Over temperature. Okay. Over temperature.
That's not something. That's not good.
Did you? Where's the water pressure? You don't want to know the system more. Right there, coolant pressure.
It's 185 on that motor. Go down.
Rookie mistake. We were running with the engines all the way high. But at least we noticed super quick, right? All right, guide plate's all the way down now, so we shouldn't have any issues.
It's not doing.
Yeah, it'll take off, little by little. Off. It has big props. There you go. See, that's better. Now they're saying on 138, 140. 140. All right. It's a little rowdy, huh?
That having a windshield sucks.
Here you go.
No, I don't need that.
Nope.
That's not bothering me.
You know what? I'm gonna put it on.
I was like, you know what? This is not my boat. Let me not do that. I wanted to get familiar with it, but it's probably short. Can't see it.
He gave the thumbs up. He's like, good. Woohoo! Woohoo! Right now, 104?
Today?
Right now, we're running to 104 today.
Yeah, I was looking
Right
at
now.
I was trying to look. I kept on like glancing. Every time we hit the throttle, I would look over. You got the one.
Let's see, info tire trip and grass trip. 110.
110.
We got 110 miles an
Take a picture
hour.
of that.
So there you go, 110 miles an hour today.
So when I looked at it, it was coming down.
Yeah, it was coming down. You're still going.
And we still had a little more to go.
Yeah, I did that.
All right.
I'm gonna go and get this checked and then
So she's officially yours?
yeah,
She's leaving a deposit.
I'm leaving the deposit.
He's been trying to convince me to buy it off of her. I'm like, dude, I have too many boats. I don't want another boat.
I was trying to convince him to buy. That's why.
And
So
then I asked
congrats.
A friend about, I asked a friend about it. He's like, that's a badass boat. So.
Yeah, man.
Well, you know what's good about these boats? They're compared to other ones. A, the price. B, the way they're laid up. And C, they're actually made for the rougher water.
Yeah. I
They,
felt
have,
that too.
they don't have that lightness to it where you're like
Yeah,
all over.
exactly.
And in this market, the resale value.
Right.
This is an investment.
Yeah.
Okay, at least I don't know about up there, but down here, this is not even posted down here. I looked last night. I was looking last night.
Yeah.
He didn't even have it reposted. If
Right there is, someone is gonna give us way more than we pay for it. That's
yeah,
for sure.
100%, 100%, man.
Without even trying, we did 110 and we just verified it on the GPS.
All right.
Scary.
Hold on, you put you on there. Hold on.
All right, boys. That's the new owner of the boat. He's in a... Huh? No, stay floating. Give me the key. Give me my bag. I'll pull it out. All right, guys. Gentleman here is gonna give the deposit for the boat, so it's officially his. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Comment down what you think, and I'll see you on the next one. What do you guys think? You think this little 1500 two-wheel drive is gonna pull out this 30-foot boat? Let's see, boys. Let's see what this Hemi got. Man, butter, bro. It didn't even feel it, man. It didn't even feel it. Subscribe, boys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.